How to sign in Booking.com account. Signing in to your Booking.com account is simple and easy. Now follow these steps to log in. First of all, open your preferred web browser and simply type down the Booking.com and navigate to the Booking.com official website. Now, once inside the Booking.com, you can simply see sign in or log in option available there at the top right corner. All you have to do is simply tap on it and you'll be navigated to your login section. Now, once inside the login section, you can simply enter your email address and proceed to check in, or you can simply tap on the Google icon available there. If you are using the same Google account, then tap on it and tap on your Google name and tap on the continue option available there, and you'll be signed in to your Booking.com using your Google account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.